Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial follow-up on Bitcoin. What a master call again. As expected in our last outlook, we saw a solid rejection with a dump that took the price right down from the $115,000 zone toward the $108,000 mark. Now, a bearish daily close has printed, and reversal signals are in play. Bulls are in big trouble while the price sits under $110,500 to $110. The short-term trend is clearly bearish. We have key supports to watch at $107,000 and $104,000, and the weekly magnet zone is sitting down at $100,000 to $98,000. Our plan is to watch for a fade. If Bitcoin rejects at the key retest zone of $112,600 to $113,000 or fails to reclaim $110,500, we expect continuation toward $107,000 next, then $104,000 with a deeper flush potentially tagging $100,000. The total crypto market cap is also flashing a bearish head and shoulder structure, which means until those necklines are reclaimed, we expect pressure on altcoins. The only bull rescue would be a strong H4/D1 reclaim and hold above $113,000, pushing beyond $115,000. Stay nimble, manage your size, and watch those key levels, as volatility spikes are highly likely. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below, and of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.